I'll tell you a story about a night on the town. Started off drinking at 5. By the time I was through and worn out my shoe, I had visited every known dive. All the lights in the alley fall dim on the ground when you're trying to see your way home. And the all-night ladies and their perfume so fine, they won't leave a poor boy alone. You know the price of a gamble is staked in the sand when the cards are all spread on the floor. The 6 and the 7 are needed to win, but you can't sit the bluff anymore. So you stand to your feet and you figure discreetly the best way to pay what you owe. When she hands you a line, tells you thanks for the time, you might have brought grace to the show. Drunken nights in the city, showing their toe. They'll take you for all that you know. You can't judge a book and you can't judge a crew down where the buffalo go. It was early next morning, I rose up so bad, my eyes were as red as the light. My pockets were empty, so was my heart. I promised to put things right. I went down to the preacher, I fell on my knees, asked the preacher to right all the wrong. But he just shook his head, he looked sorry when he said, you've been on the streets far too long. Drunken nights in the city are showing their toll. They'll take you for all that you owe. You can't judge a book and you can't judge a crew down where the bandolin go. Drunken nights in the city, showing their toll. They'll take you for all that you know. You can't judge a book and you can't judge a crew down where the buffalo go. No.